Day 77 adds the first GitHub Actions build workflow. Today automates restore and release build when code is pushed to main or a pull request targets main. GitHub Actions runs commands on a clean computer managed by GitHub. It installs .NET, restores packages, and catches build problems outside the local machine. Build the API C# project directly. JobTrackr Solution X is newer, so the workflow avoids solution format risk while still building the production project dependencies. Create build.yaml inside .github workflows. YAML depends on indentation, so use spaces only and keep the structure exact. The workflow runs on pushes to main and pull requests targeting main. It only needs read permission for repository contents and keeps a single build job. Use Ubuntu latest as the GitHub runner. Then check out the repository and use setup.net to install the .NET 8 SDK. Restore the API project first. Then build the same API project in release configuration with no restore, proving the restore step worked. Before pushing, run the same restore and build commands locally. Check Git status, verify project paths, use forward slashes in the workflow, and confirm no test command was added yet. Commit build.yaml and push. Then open the Actions tab, select the build workflow, open the newest run, and confirm every build step succeeds. Stop after the build workflow. Do not add tests until day 78, do not add deployment, do not add SQL Server services, and do not add secrets.